Hey, this is Marcus and I'm your German Batman. Bundesliga Day 8. We got now Schalke 04 versus the FC Augsburg. Well, let's see. To be honest, I'm kind of surprised how the bookies think of that game. I saw like an odd 1.7 for Schalke 04, which is okay, since if you look at the table right now, it's like Augsburg is number 8 and Schalke is 14th. So of course that's a little too low for Schalke and that's a little too high for the FC Augsburg. But let's see, I'd say that's a clear home win. Like there's no doubt. Okay, Schalke has over the last few years has got a little trouble with home games. They're very strong in away games, but home games, especially against teams that are not so strong, and I would count Augsburg as a team that is not that strong. They have problems sometimes. So if Schalke would play Stuttgart or I don't know, they had like Leverkusen in a home game and they win all those games. But when it comes to FC Augsburg or Frankfurt or Mainz, they always have a little problems. So to me, that's a clear home win. There might be a slight chance of a draw, but as I said, it's like that Schalke is the way stronger team. And of course, they had a great win in Basel during the week. And when I look at the lineup, it's like there's none of the big players really missing. They have Kevin Prince Boateng and Julian Draxler. You have to watch us for these guys. And in terms of FC Augsburg, they have a strong team on board. Okay, they're not the strong team, but they have their best team on board. They bought Halil Altintop, who is a great player, and I think he will help them to keep the league and not go to the second league in this year. But it's gonna be a struggle. I think they won't finish 8th or something in a one-digit area of the league. So to me, that's a clear home win. Guys, what do you think of that game? Leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more tips on German football games.